Hello, this is Dr. Kenneth Watanabe, and today I will be going over how to design a simple LIMS database using the Database Table Maker version 3.0. This software is free to download at kenawatanabe.com under the Bioinformatics pull-down. There have been significant improvements between version 2.0 and 3.0, and this video will demonstrate some of the capabilities of the new version. Suppose we want to design a system for a doctor's office to keep track of patients, their visits, and their specimens collected. The first thing we need to do is set up a connection to the database. To do that, we click on the Settings tile. We enter the host name, username, and password, and click Test Connection to make sure we can connect. Then click Save Changes. The next thing we need to do is create a patient table to keep track of the patient information such as the name of the patient, the date of birth, address, etc. To do this, we click on the Create Table tile. We enter a database name and a table name, in this case, patient. Now we can enter the field names, the labels, the data type, etc. The field name is the actual name of the database field, and this can have no spaces and must be unique within the table. The field label is more descriptive. This is what will appear on the screen when you're entering the data, and the data type can be either selected from the pull down or typed in. The length is the number of characters of this field. If we want to add a drop down, we can add a link table here. Okay. To save time, I stored all these fields into a CSV file, and I can import all the fields. The name of my CSV file is called patient.csv, and if we look at it, it has all the fields I want to add to the patient table. So I click Go, and it inserts all these fields. These link tables I already made ahead of time to save time. So now I can click Create Update Table to create the patient table. The next table to create is a visit table, which is a child of the patient table. So to create the visit table, I put the table name visit under the child table prompt. And to save time, I have a CSV file called visit.csv that has all the field names predefined. And I can click Create Update Table to create the visit table. And now I want to create a specimen table that's a child table of the visit table. To do that, I put visit as a table name, and under child table, I put specimen. Okay, and then I can import the fields from my specimen.csv file to save time. And then I click Create Update Table. Now I can create child table of child table of child table of child table indefinitely. So for instance, under the specimen table, I can create a test table, and under the test table, I can create a result table, etc. But for this demonstration, I'll only go 3 tables deep. You can also make sibling tables. So under the patient table, I can create an allergies table that's a child of the patient table, and I can import the fields from a CSV file and click Create Update Table. Okay. You can also flag fields as removed by clicking Remove and click the Create Update Table to flag the field as removed. As far as data entry and querying, this field will be hidden, so it's essentially been deleted. To actually delete the field, there's an option here to delete the field, and it prompts for the database username and password as added confirmation. And this is to prevent loss of data. Okay, and we can also delete an entire table. Okay. So that's it as far as creating tables. In my next video, I will go into how to enter and query data. For a quick preview, what I will be doing would be clicking on this Enter Modified Records. We'll enter the database name and the table name and click Go. And then we will be entering the data here. Notice the fields that had link tables have drop downs here. And also notice that the software realizes that there are two child tables, visits and allergies. So those buttons will appear automatically down here. Okay. So that's it for now. Please download the software and test it out. If you like it, please make a donation. Thank you very much.